So, kung number years, kung may isa, halimbawa, 20 years, that is 5%. Marami kasing method of computing the depreciation, sum of years, so yung pag-aralan natin yung simple lang. No? So, if the life of an 10 years, so the computation of depreciation is you have the cost minus salvage value. O yung iba ginagamit is yung salvage value. Scrap value. Dalawa yung scrap value. Kasi yung magamit na yung asset, yung benta. Yun ang scrap value. Scrap value. Cost minus scrap value. So mag-gain na yan, ang depreciable asset na yun, depreciable cost equals depreciable cost. So the formula dito is cost minus salvage value or scrap value divided by 8. 8 of the asset. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng asset worth 50,000. And the estimated scrap value or salvage value is 10. So, pwede mo maibenta ng 10 kung tumanda na siya. Kasi babalik ka ng bago. Siyempre, benta mo. So, estimated life is 10 years. Magkano yung depreciation? Depreciation. Magkano? 4,000? Okay. So you have cost 50,000 less 10,000 equals 40,000 divided by 10 years. Equals 4,000. Ano yung entry? Adjusting entry. Debit. Depreciation. So kung ano man yung name ng asset. And then credit